Igame today bebaluleke ngalendlela ukuthi besifuna vele 25 point ukuthi sihlale phezulu silingane ngedraw neSundowns up until Saturday vele siyabuyela endaweni yethu la sibelonga khona number 1.
Mfethu igame yethu namhlanje sithathe slow and ukhumbule besintroduce amanye amaplayer ekudala agcina ukudlala yabona, so mara ithe igame mase seyipick up kwangena abantu aba-right because igame abebayibhekile bakhona ukwenza into right. That's why today siwinile sathola nayo i-3 point na-2 goals, so manje sesilinde ifinal mfethu, so dibane ePolokwane.
No, it was a nice game, even though sidlala team epaka ibhasi. We knew ukuthi we have to be patient. It took almost the entire game until it says a score.
Kaula seven's experience. Makaula is a very great player with talent. So even his age doesn't determine his play, because his play is very amazing. He played well today. We are Orlando Pirates were more than just a football club, so we can't lose games just like that. We knew that we were coming to this game, we were going to collect 3 points. So these 3 points was ours. We know that Chipa historical, there are our people who are going to take 3 points to them. So it was not that scaring or what. No, we knew that we were going to take these 3 points.
Wa Pirates wa Cruzy Arnata wale kefa baje kefa wona Narche League on the 6th siya Polokwane, so ba sempre kitchen so third kit, so World Cup number 2 ba wala cup wale ju rasa ba raka kefu as we are cruising here in South Africa, we're taking points and we're going to take cup number 2. Come the 6th, Paris will have 2 cups and we'll be number 1 in the league until next year when the league is open.